1. Pick your foundation skill first. Leonardo da Vinci mastered painting before touching engineering. Go deep on one thing. Pattern recognition from mastery transfers to everything else. 2. Block 90 minutes daily. No debate, that rhythm wires your brain for mastery. Elite violinists average 10,000 hours by age 20, but quality beats quantity. One focused hour destroys 10 distracted ones. 3. Stop reading without doing. Da Vinci filled 13,000 notebook pages. Not just ideas, experiments, sketches, calculations. Knowledge dies unless you build something with it. 4. Connect across domains. Polymaths see patterns where others see differences. Da Vinci applied math to art, anatomy, engineering. Every concept you learn, find 3 examples from different fields. 5. Test yourself before studying. Sounds backwards. It works. Struggling creates knowledge gaps. Your brain hunts harder when it knows what's missing. 6. Stack complementary skills. Writing plus psychology plus marketing beats being the world's best writer. Combination creates unfair advantage. Before we get to 7, who's your favorite polymath? Da Vinci, Elon Musk, Musashi, or someone I missed? Drop it in the comments. 7. Practice with intensity, not duration. Deliberate practice beats mindless repetition. Focus on your weak spots. Push past comfort. That discomfort rewires your neural pathways. 8. Teach everything immediately, explaining forces deep understanding. If you can't make it simple, you don't know it yet. 9. Embrace plateaus. Progress looks like stairs, not slopes. Long flat periods between breakthroughs. That's where beginners quit and polymaths get built. 10. Mix skills in single sessions. Interleaved practice improves learning by 74% versus 49% for blocked. 11. Space learning over weeks. Gaps force memory retrieval. 1 day minimum between reps. Locks it in. 12. Study experts, not beginners. Surround yourself with people 10 steps ahead. Grandmasters studied 10,000 to 50,000 hours. Their patterns become your shortcuts. 13. Build a curiosity system. Da Vinci's notebooks prove it. Write every question. Research answers systematically. 14. Apply the 80-20 rule ruthlessly. Master the 20% that creates 80% of results. 15. Make learning addictive. Dopamine drives repetition. Reward every session. 16. Join communities that challenge you. Isolation kills growth. Collaboration compounds it. 17. Go public. Accountability forces consistency. Feedback sharpens faster than solo practice. 18. Start before you're ready. Momentum beats motivation. Da Vinci said learning never exhausts the mind. Start ugly. Start now.